Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Gazi here. So let me introduce myself, and today's video is nothing special. I just recording myself after a long time. So today's video is all about learning a programming language. Why one should start learning a programming languages, and I will what I think about it, and will it be useful in the future or not. So I have been doing IBA in South Korea, so I have been really fascinated about how computer works, not only just getting a job or learning a programming language. Will it help me in the future or not? So it might be might be AI or something, but my question is that why one should learn a programming languages. So it's very quite straightforward. Answer is everyone shouldn't learn this. So whoever are fascinated about the computer or machine learnings, how a machine understand the pictures, how a machine calculates all of things, so that's gonna curious me and many like-minded people who should learn the programming languages. And the question is, it is worth it? So I think it's yes, because it not only help you straightforward, but also in a logical thinking, you're probably solving a problems, and a lot more benefited around it. And if you just understand the basic things or logical thinking, how a problem should be solved, so this will help you to improve yourself overall lifestyle, I could say. So I think the programmer or who are software engineers, who are the problem solver, are the smartest person on the earth. So I think in this point of view, people should learn a programming language if one are fascinated about it. And it is also arguable that right now, because of AI, getting a job is way more difficult, or is very hard to getting things done, because AI are way more smarter than people, and it are getting worse and worse day by day. So if you are looking for that, I will get a job to Fang or Google, so it might not be really good ideas, but I think is the more optimistic thing about it. If you are not wanted to getting a job in a bigger company or something, you just wanted to understand how computer works, and you wanted to contribute more about it. And now is another question is that how we can learn very faster. And in the era of AI, learning a programming language is more fascinating, because you can testify that, and you can also getting a real powerful super intelligence AI that will help you to understand better. So I think it's worth learning a programming language if you are fascinated about it like me. So go ahead and just get out of any argument about it. So thank you so much for watching this. Probably I will see the next video around code or something AI useful in our developing environment.